Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Close CRM user settings and roles step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Close CRM website. Log into your Close CRM account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Settings option in the menu. In the Settings page, find and select Users from the list of available settings. You will now see a list of users within your account. Identify the user whose settings and roles you want to download. Click on the user's name to open their profile. Within the user profile, look for the Roles section. Here, you can review the roles assigned to the user. To download the settings, look for the Download option, usually represented by an icon or link. Click on the download icon or link. Choose the format in which you wish to download the user settings, if prompted. Confirm the download by selecting your preferred location on your device. The file should start downloading immediately. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open the downloaded file to review the user settings and roles. You have now successfully downloaded the Close CRM user settings and roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.